Atomstat C4 Pro, the world's most precise desktop CNC engraver. Every movement is smooth and precise, even at high speeds. That's thanks to high-speed linear rails and zero backlash lead screw design. You can set it up in just 15 minutes and get right to work. Its modular structure makes assembly quick and simple. High-level accuracy you can actually see, perfect for tiny details. Engraving, drilling, cutting, the C4 Pro does it all. No upgrades or modes needed. One machine ready to handle everything from wood to metal. Let your ideas flow freely. The 200-watt high-torque spindle spins up to 12,000 RPM for instant cutting performance. Dream big, create bigger. Compared to most CNC machines, it's over 30% more efficient, so you get more done faster. Control every move with confidence. Atomstat's self-developed 32-bit board delivers industrial-grade processing for unmatched precision. Operated by feel, the physical hand wheel gives you fast, intuitive control. Even without looking at a screen, centering round materials takes just one step. Atomstat's exclusive 4-point positioning system makes circular work faster and easier. Dust and debris taken care of. Optional covers and a dual-stage filtration system keep your workspace clean and your machine running longer. Want to engrave complex shapes or cylinders? The 4th-axis module lets you take on 3D and irregular surfaces like a pro. Unleash your full creative power. Switch to laser mode with a single click. And with a full lineup of accessories. The C4 Pro becomes your all-in-one creative workshop.